Dataset A consists of 10 positive integers less than 60. The list shown gives 9 of the integers from dataset A. The mean of these 9 integers is 42. If the mean of dataset A is an integer that is greater than 42, what is the value of the largest integer from dataset A? So to find the mean of this dataset, we just add up all the terms, 43 plus 45 plus 44 plus 43 plus 38 plus 39 plus 40 plus 46 plus 40. And then the 10th term that we are going to find is, we'll just say it's x. And then we just divide that by the total number of terms, which is 10. And this here, after we add all these together, we get 378 plus x, which is the 10th term, we don't know yet, over 10. So we're trying to find the value of x. We're trying to find the value of x because the problem says that the mean of these 9 integers is 42. But the mean of dataset A after we add the x, or the 10th integer, is greater than 42, which means that x has to be larger than 42. Okay, so now if we look at x, we know that it is an integer, or that the mean of dataset A is an integer, which means that in order for this mean right here to be an integer, this numerator has to be divisible by 10. And that's only possible when the numerator is a multiple of 10. And in order for this to be a multiple of 10, x has to be 2, because when in the ones place, x has to be 2, because when we add 2 in the ones place to 378, we'll get some multiple of 10. So we'll put 2 in the ones place. And we also know this has to be a 2-digit term, because these 10 terms have to be less than 60. So we know the ones place, but now the tens place we automatically also know, because this x value has to be larger than 42, because the mean of dataset A is larger than 42. But since the mean of these 9 integers is 42, we need a value larger than 42 to push the mean above 42. And since the x value has to be larger than 42 but less than 60, the only number that has a 2 in the ones place that is larger than 42 and less than 60 is 52. So x has to be 52. And if we look at these numbers, we can see that 52 is the largest of these 10 numbers. So the largest integer in dataset A is 52, which is the 10th term.